Good morning, students. In today's video, we will continue with the topic synthesis of sentences. That is, join the sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but, or so. In the last video, we have already seen how to combine the two sentences, wherein I had given you few sentences to combine. So let's see how to combine the sentences without using and, but, or so. Here we go. We have the first one here. He is not strong, full stop. He is not brave. Now, when we are asked to combine the two sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but, or so, what are the things that we need to keep in our mind? The first thing is to understand the meaning of the two sentences, the essence of the two separate sentences, and then choose the most appropriate word to combine the two sentences. You have different options, and when you are doing, please make sure that the grammar of your sentence is correct. So let's see how to combine these two sentences. He is not strong, full stop. He is not brave. So if you see, we can use a conjunction here that is neither nor. So we can write it as he is neither strong nor brave. Clear? The next one, she was annoyed, full stop. She kept quiet. Now read the sentence properly, understand the meaning. She was annoyed, but what did she do? She kept quiet. So how can we combine? She was annoyed, yet she kept quiet. So see, you have to look for different options and you have to choose the most appropriate word to combine both the sentences. We can see the next one. She is very fat, full stop. She cannot run. So we have different options, like we can write it as she is very fat, so she cannot run. But then we are not allowed to use so, right? So look for other options. We can write it as she is too fat to run, which means that she is very fat and she cannot run. Are you getting? We can write it as she is very fat, therefore she cannot run. So we have a number of options, but we need to use the most appropriate one. Clear? So we can write this as he is too fat to run. The next one, he cannot pass, full stop. He must work hard. Now you can see there is a condition. He cannot pass. But if he has to pass, he has to work hard, right? So how we will join both the sentences? He cannot pass unless he works hard. So there's a condition, right? The next one, Amit is clever, full stop. Rohit is equally clever. Now we can see this sentence that both the sentence says that the person is clever. Like Amit is also clever and Rohit is equally clever. Means Rohit is no less than Amit, right? So how we'll combine both the sentences? We can write it as Amit is as clever as Rohit. Clear? Now we have the sixth one. The bell rang, full stop. All the boys went home. Now, how we'll combine these two sentences? We can use as soon as to combine these two sentences. Let's see. As soon as the bell rang, comma, all the boys went home. Clear? Now, the last one. I met Rajiv's father, full stop. He is now a police inspector. So, how we'll join the two sentences? I met Rajiv's father, who is now a police inspector. So, we are using here an adjective clause and combining both the sentences. So, that's all for today. I hope you have understood how to combine two sentences using different options even without using and, but, or so. Thank you.